Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today guys I will show you step by step how to can add salary in Zoho Books. So guys, after logging your account with your all information, go to the section purchase section from here, and when you click on the purchase section guys, you should be right this icon, go to dashboard and click purchase. From the purchase guys, write this option expenses. And then guys, all you have to do, click this option, record the expenses, and then you should be fill all this information, your date and expenses account, for example advertising and marketing, and then choose your amount, choose the currency from here, for example euro, for example this currency euro, and then guys click on amount tax exclusive. From here choose paid through, for example pretty this one, and then choose your amount, for example 100 euro, and then write your reference, write your tax, select your type of tax, and then choose your customer name guys, for example choose your customer name, and then guys all you have to do, write your display name. After that guys, if you have a new customer, you can create for the new customer from here option, click new customer, and then you should be add associate tags from here. You should be add associate tags as you can see here, and then guys write your vendor and complete steps. After that click save. This is how you can do guys. It is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question down below in the comment.